Magandang hapon po ng January 9, 2024, Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 560 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 17.5 million pesos. For Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.